Guys, I am sneezing since morning. You know why? Because I ate lot of ice cream yesterday. Mama पापा ने बहुत कहा मत खाओ but I still ate. Now see what happened.
Bless you.
Thank you. Guys, tell me why people say bless you when we sneeze. Let me tell you. When we sneeze, our heart stops for a millisecond. It doesn't stop completely, but it may slow down or skip a beat. Nothing to worry. People convey this by saying bless you.